Hey guys, it's Eric, owner of Farpoint Farms here in the mountains of North Carolina, and it is time for part 3 of my video on the President Andy. As you can see, I've gone ahead and installed it in my little commuter car. I replaced the Cobra 18WX ST2, which had developed a problem with the channel selector knob, so this was perfect timing. And as you can see, it fits the din. There's actually a place you can order a kit to make it perfectly centered and has plastic on the outside and everything, so if you want to use this as a din mount and you don't like my little rigged up setup here, which is, admittedly a little bit goofy looking, you can get a faceplate for it. It's only a few dollars, but it comes from overseas, and so it's going to take a couple days to get here, or a couple weeks. But anyway, I went ahead and made my own kit, and as you can see, it works fine. Now, some people would be worried that this isn't a front-firing speaker and that it would be muffled, and maybe on some cars that would be an issue. However, on this one, if I lower it down here, you'll see that there's actually a gap right there. And so because of that, I haven't had any problems driving around. I don't hear it. Doesn't sound muffled at all. It doesn't seem to be a problem. So I'm going to go ahead and head to work. And when we come back home, we've got the wife at the house. She's got the base station turned on, and we're going to do some range and audio quality tests coming home. So this is it. This will be the final part 3 of the President Andy. Let's check it out.
Audio test at CAS. President Andy, test 1, range and audio at church. President Andy, range and audio test at church. President Andy, test 1, at gate. President Andy, test 1, range and audio at gate.
All right, so not bad, right? Performance is about what you'd expect out of a stock radio. Of course, you can tune these things up. I've seen some other videos on there claiming that they will push, in excess of 30 watts. This is just a bone stock. I didn't want to do anything that would alter it in any way. I want people to realize what they're getting right out of the box. And for that, I think it's a pretty good deal. I'm certainly happy with it. I'll be using this for many years to come. And that is it. I'm Eric, owner of Farpoint Farms here in the mountains of North Carolina. And I will see you next time. Take care.
Something that needs a little fixing on Farpoint Farms. Freedom is mighty sweet.